Good morning, everybody. Today we're going to talk about liking, subscribing, and sharing before anything else. And I appreciate and love each and every one of you. Thank you so much for being here today and sharing my day with me. Today we're going to talk about the law of attraction, 17-second rule. It is said that if we only give attention to something we really want to manifest for 17 seconds, focusing on it, close your eyes, imagine it, feel the feelings of enjoyment of whatever that you're wanting to attract into your life. If it's money, what will you do with the money? Who will you bless? Concentrate on the feelings of it. If it's a house, how will you feel in that house? Go through the doors of the bedrooms and the hallways and everything, and just feel the feelings that it would give you. The security, the love, the happiness, the bonfires of that house. Imagine it. If it has a fireplace, how it would be with your family and friends around the fireplace, drinking hot chocolate or coffee or hot toddies, and visualize the Christmas tree by the sliding glass door out to the deck. Amazing things. You can create by your feelings, your thoughts, your words. Concentrate on it for 17 seconds. Keep going with it. And what you're after is the feelings of it. The security, the fun. Fun is a good one. You want to create fun. I know I do. I want to create fun in my life, some excitement, something to get my juices flowing every day. And gives me hope and gratitude for everything that's around me. Again, I say God bless you all. I appreciate you all. You are loved, and angels love you. The universe loves you. I hope you have a fantastic day. All your dreams come true. I'll talk to you soon, and God bless you. Bye for now.